Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Factorial recursion can be tricky when it breaks. Let's look at this Java code and find the error together in just a few quick steps. First, check the base case where n equals 1. The code returns 1, which is actually correct for a factorial method, so the base case itself is not the problem here. Next, look at the recursive call. It says return n times factorial of n. This is a huge issue because the value of n never decreases toward our base case goal. Since n remains constant, the method calls itself infinitely. This infinite recursion makes option B the correct answer for this error. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given and check steps for option B.